This is a Harley Davidson, 1914, known as the slab tank with pedals, the last year of the pedals. This particular motorcycle in 2010 rode across America 3,500 miles in what's today known as the Cannonball Run. Cannonball Baker was the first person at great speed to cross America at a time when there weren't any roads connecting East America to West America. So it was a tremendous feat, and in his honor they named the race the Cannonball Race, and they race every year. And Jeff Decker was the pilot of this motorcycle in 2010, and he is one of America's great motorcycle sculptures. And if you want to see one of his sculptures, you'll find it outside the Harley Davidson Museum, a man on a Harley Davidson on a hill climb, which has become a very, very famous landmark today in America for American motorcyclists. So here you see it. 1914 Harley Davidson, the first old Harley Davidson we have of this age in the museum.